Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to use hair butter for hair growth and to prevent any damage. So the smell is smelling like some shea, exactly like shea butter. So I made this video yesterday. I'll link the video in the description box below. So that is how it looks like it's kind of thick, but it was whipped with different kinds of herbs which promote hair growth. So I'm going to use first you can use actually with a leave-in conditioner. So I made this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. So the first you can use a leave-in conditioner and then seal in the moisture with a hair butter. So of course I just undid the braids that I had, like they were not looking okay. So it was time to moisturize our hair, and it's been actually 6 days without doing a real moisturizer. So I'll start applying the leave-in conditioner like so. So this is the first option that you can do, and then go in with a butter. And this butter actually has some oil, so no need of going in with a three-step of moisturizing your hair. This is so simple, like the oil is already in the butter, the sealant, everything. Yes friends, so comment in the section below friends. I'd love to hear from you. So thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much dear friends. So my goal actually, in as much as I love sharing, is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you are trying to grow out your natural hair, you have to make sure that you are ahead of moisture so that you prevent any damage or breakage. So moisturizing actually is good. You can actually moisturize every after 5 days or 3 days, depending on how your hair is. Like your hair will always communicate to you that it's dry. Yes, so personally I moisturize my hair at least two times per week, 2 times per week. Yes, so actually today is the 7th day, meaning that of course I had moisturized my hair with some hairspray and some oil. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. So the moment your hair touches the moisturizer, it shrinks friends. So don't be worried about shrunken hair, because you know African hair does shrink a lot because it is not straight. So the moment it touches water, it will definitely shrink. So actually this method can actually even remove some shady hair and some tangles, as you can see. So the first section I use a leave-in and a butter. So the second section I'm going to use a hairspray. So actually I've done quite a number of hairsprays. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. And actually I'm planning to straighten my hair, you know, before this year comes to an end, by God's grace. If God allows it, I'm definitely going to share. Like I want to check how the length of my hair is, because it's been long ever since I stretched my hair. So the second actually is to use butter, hair butter, and some aloe vera. Yes, so I love aloe vera. If you belong on this channel, like I highly speak of aloe vera because it has many vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth, and it's also good for the scalp. If the very dermatitis, it will actually help a great deal. So I'll continue working in sections. I apply aloe vera. You can even use aloe vera juice, yes, or your own made aloe vera. So I'll go in with some butter, a sizable amount of butter, and then I concentrate on the ends of the hair and to the rest of the hair strands, and then I braid that section. So continue watching this video friends. So like 3 uses, or how you can use this butter with different kinds of moisturizers.
All to Jesus I surrender, all to Him I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him
So the third method is to use some water or any hairspray that you have in combination with a hair butter. So this hairspray has some aloe vera and some amla. I had made this hairspray some months ago. I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So I'll spray the hairspray to the hair or to the rest of the hair strands, even on the scalp, because that, you know, it's very moisturizing. And then I wake it in, and then I go in with more hairspray on the scalp and to the rest of the hair strands. Then I wake it in. Once I'm done, then I get a butter, concentrate it on the ends of the hair and to the rest of the hair strands. So I'll continue doing the same, yes, for hairspray or water. You can actually, you know, use this hair butter just after washing your hair, and then you seal in the moisture, or even between washes, friends. So subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like, share this video, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload, you'll be notified.
All to Jesus I surrender, all to Him I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him, in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all to Jesus I surrender, humbly at His feet I bow. Worldly.
So at this point, I'm done. That is how we still have a lot of butter. Like, it will last for 2 months. Like, it worked very well. So at this point, I'm just going to undo the braids. So that is how our hair looks like after being moisturized. So like it's very, very soft and manageable. So I'm just going to do this and do this simple twist, and then I'll continue styling my hair offline. So friends, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you enjoy this video, and comment in the section below, friends. So like, you know, there are times when I want my hair to remain just like like this, friends. So I love moisturized hair because it will prevent any damage and any breakage, friends. So that is how our hair looks like. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and best to see you in our next video. So